This is a story about an Italian man called
Dario Castro, and I was born in Palermo, Sicily.
Dario. What was it like growing up in Sicily?
Sicily's a beautiful place. It's, it's warm, people is warm, the food is great, there's a lot of history.
And you moved to Ireland. Why? To different spots around Ireland, especially Cork, where he now lives.
To each other, for life, forever.
Yes.
Hey folks, it's a beautiful Sunday morning, the heart of medieval Europe. Back to the Anglo-Norman period. The rules in this prison were extremely strict. We're in the thick of the woods now. There's trees everywhere I look. It is extremely cold. The water is extremely cold, not the weather.
And today in Cork City, to his sweetheart Marina, who's working today when we're filming, the pair decided to move to Ireland to find work.
I don't know if it was chance or destiny, but one thing I can say for sure was love, almost at first sight. My wife and I were living in Canada at the time. We were living in Montreal, and we decided to get back to Europe, so I started sending out, applying for jobs.
So Cork now feels like home?
It does very much. It's been home for the last 5 years, and I can say that,
The people's stories. And a few months ago, he even produced a full documentary about the Italian community in Cork.
I just wanted to tell the stories. I saw a change in the way people was coming here to Cork. Now, I moved to Ireland 10 years ago, and 10 years ago it was mostly guys, just young guys trying to make a start in a career or something. Now things are changing. I see more and more families moving.
You love it, watching you interact with the people here. You love this, don't you?
Yes.
Being with the people, making the videos, interacting with them.
I love telling stories. That's what I like the most.
Job at that.
The pieces you're making for YouTube, what do you want to come from these?
For me, it's mainly telling stories and documenting what's happening, and maybe taking a look in 10 years' time and seeing how things have changed. It would be probably easy, might not be the right word, but it would be a great project to turn it into some kind of chamber of commerce for Italy and Ireland and trying to make profit. But that's not my goal. I'm not making any profit, not monetizing my videos. This is purely, storytelling, just talking about people. So the answer is I don't really know where this is going.
You just like doing it.
I just like doing it.
Dario? This is a story about an Italian man called
Dario Castro, and I was born in Palermo, Sicily.
Dario. What was it like growing up in Sicily?
Sicily's a beautiful place. It's, it's warm, people is warm, the food is great, there's a lot of history.
And you moved to Ireland. Why?